Madam, the answer is in the floor of the House.
Madam, to you, I like to ask the Honourable Minister that in the answer that has been given, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister that in the last 4 years, how many TV channels have been banned or restricted for airing objectionable contents? And also, is it true that the new media wing of Information and Broadcasting Ministry monitors social media adverse reports? May I know from the Honourable Minister, why is it so important that this sort of information, you're trying to monitor it in such a widespread capacity?
Madam, the job of Information Broadcasting Ministry is to be able to communicate the government schemes to every nook and corner of the country. And for doing that, we use multiple platforms, multiple of our media teams